Hi everybody. So first I just want to say thank you to everyone that has messaged me and called me and just finding out how I'm doing after that. It's really a mild concussion I had on the weekend, so really not a big deal. It was just, something I'd never been through, so first time for everything. I just wanted to share something that I have found really helpful for me and just kind of like rehabbing. Mainly I felt it in my neck and my shoulder, but a lot of it in my neck in the last couple of days. So I just want to show you some really simple, quick things that you might enjoy. Because who doesn't have a tight neck or tight shoulders? Yeah. Okay, so.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. This is like a natural video. Hi. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is basically you'll need a strap, or it really doesn't matter, towel, something that you can basically hold on to and get a nice little pull, all right? So if I'm starting with my left hand, I'm going to hold it in my palm and grip it nicely, okay? And then taking the other hand towards just a little bit lower. I'm going to wrap the strap now just below my left elbow, okay? And so it's kind of basically pushing into my arm, right? And where I want my elbow is not forward and I don't want it back. I just ideally want the elbow in the same plane as the shoulder, okay? And I want to make sure that the torso is neutral, my shoulders are rolling back, chest is open, right? So from here, I'm going to get you guys to see if you can feel this pulling forward with the two ends of the strap, and at the same time, you're going to resist with your arm. Okay, although I say it's the arm resisting, really where I want you to feel the work is around your left lat, around your left armpit area, okay? So it's gonna look something like this. Okay, it doesn't look like I'm doing very much, it's like an isometric exercise, right? So moving, but kind of not actually, doesn't look like I'm moving, okay? So my opinion is the more we can strengthen the core, I'm also gonna get you guys to draw the belly in, pull the ribs back a little. The more you can strengthen the muscles around the shoulder girdle and your core, the more the neck can be relieved, right? Okay, so that's just really quick, and you can hold that as long as you like. Just switch. I'm just gonna fast forward. It's the same thing on the other side. So the hand holding up like this, elbow 90 degrees. Good, and taking it just kind of above the elbow a little bit. Good, same idea, right? So I'm not gonna hold it, but you can hold it as long as you like, ideally as long as the other side, right? And then from here, just one more thing, a quick one I want to show you is this is the external rotation we're doing. Now we're going to turn the arm the other way. So if you want to stretch your left arm out to the side, okay, make sure again the core is engaged, belly is in, ribs are pulling in, sitting up tall, turning your left thumb down. This is an internal rotation of the arm. Taking the hand into a fist, and then just take the hand, you can just take it to the right side of your spine, wrapping the shoulder back and down. So another isometric way to work is to take your hand to the elbow and very gently, okay, but with intention, pull forward with your arm, your hand, and then press back with the elbow. And that should give you a lot of freedom in and around the left chest, the left shoulder, and if you want to add a little bit through the neck also, you can just slowly drop your right ear towards the right shoulder, okay? And taking care that you're still drawing in and around the waistline, okay, so you're not slumping. Hold as long as you like, and then we'll just switch, okay? So just for demonstration purposes, quickly just taking your right arm out, it's the same thing, turning your right thumb down, start to bend the arm, make a fist, take the hand to the left side of your spine a little bit, and just taking the hand to the elbow, okay? And pulling gently forward with your hand and drawing the arm back, okay? So again, what we're looking for is to create the space in and around the shoulder, so releasing, there's lots of space between the ear and the shoulder, and you can take again the left ear towards the shoulder. Okay? So hopefully that's something that you can do regularly. You can do that at your desk. You don't have to change into yoga clothes. That's a good thing. Thanks for watching. Namaste, everybody.